you're not allowed to have any other friends but me.
What? People who are upset or jealous about their friends having other friends, like, I can't comprehend. Like, I really don't. Like, me personally, I love that my friends have other friends. Like, for instance, I have a friend. She is like a workout guru. She is a savage. She has friends that she goes to the gym with. Am I jealous? Hell no. Because you can't get me to step foot in the gym, and she likes to work out with friends, you know, and motivate them. So why would I be jealous about her having other friends that's into things like that? Like, sometimes your friends, they're not into all the things that you're into. So, like, for instance, like I said, my friend, she loves going to the gym. I don't. So there's no way in hell she can force me to go to the gym. But she has friends that relate to that. Like, sometimes you and your friends, you guys don't relate to all things. And that's okay. Like, you and your friends are not going to have everything in common. Like, I remember I had some girl go to me that was a friend and was like, you know, I consider you my best friend, and you don't call me your best friend. You only consider Khalil your best friend. Hey, bestie. Like, yeah, he is my best friend. Like, yes, me and the girl wasn't really best friends just because, like, the friendship used to be on and off, on and off. I used to consider the girl to be, like, a sister, and then she used to be talking shit about... Anyway, I ain't gonna get too deep into that. But, like, the obsession people have, like, for me, it's okay because, like I said, like, you know, not all your friends can be like me. I'm very versatile as a friend. I'm just saying, though, like, some friends you have friends for partying, some friends you have for poetry or the museum and stuff. So it's okay to have different friends who can broaden your horizon instead of being, like, stuck with certain friends that's just like you. I feel like it's good to have friends that you can learn from and grow from and have different, you know, horizons of things. Like, the only time I will ever comment on, like, my friends having other friends if I feel like their friends aren't a good friend to them. Because, like, the people that I consider friends and I have in my life, they're good and genuine people that will literally give you the shit off their back. So if they have friends in their life that I personally don't feel like is a good friend to them, I'm not going to be like, oh, stop being their friend. I'm just going to be like, hey, like, bestie, Khalil, like, you know, this person, I don't really think they have your best interests like that. Like, just please watch out for them because I don't want them to hurt you. And if they do, I got to fuck them up. But yes, that's just my whole thought on friends being jealous of their friends having other friends. Like, listen, sometimes you need a break from your friend. Like, guys, I love you, but I'm glad you guys have other friends. Because I need a break. Sometimes I just want Rosetta time. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. And don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.